and welcome to 19 Wentworth Terrace. A great location is not the only thing that this home has to offer. Let's go inside and take a look.
This is a super cute home with lots of great style. The open plan kitchen is fantastic. I especially love these herringbone tiles. Outdoor entertaining area has everything. The footy for the TV and the on-point styling, including this form barbecue benchtop. What I love most is the outlook on this great backyard. At the top of the block, you feel like you're literally on top of the world. This is a great vantage point to take in the sunsets that Central Queensland have to offer.